To replace the piston on your HP-100, disconnect the hose and unthread the pump from the tank. Remove the suction pipe from the pump. Then remove the cotter and clevis pins, securing the handle to the pump piston. Remove the handle from the pump. Next, remove the retainer plate from the back of the pump with a 5/16" socket wrench. Remove the bearing behind the retainer plate. Then remove the front cover plate and O-ring using a 7/16" socket wrench. Next, remove the piston from the pump housing and remove the 3 packing seals from the back of the pump. Then place the pump face up on 2 blocks of equal size. Ensure the pump is leveled and there is no obstruction between the blocks that may interfere with the travel of the piston shaft insertion. If replacement parts are needed, they can be ordered through our website. Place the included Mylar film vertically inside and around the pump cavity as shown. Rotate the film to ensure the ends of the film are not located on the slots in the pump. Holding the piston by the ribs, carefully feed the piston into the pump cavity with the shaft facing down. Ensure the Mylar film remains vertically straight throughout the assembly process. The Mylar film should still be covering the slots in the pump. Slowly push the piston all the way down until fully compressed. Ensure the Mylar film stays in position and does not follow the piston down into the bottom edge of the cavity. Then remove the film from the pump cavity. Next, lubricate and install the new O-ring. Reinstall the pump cover plate. Then install the 3 new packing seals over the piston shaft. Ensure the slit in each packing seal is offset from the slits in the other packing seals. Add the bearing onto the piston shaft in the orientation shown. Then press the bearing and packing seals into the pump using a 1-inch PVC pipe. Install the retainer plate in the orientation shown. Tighten the screws evenly until secure. Then reattach the pump handle. reinstall the suction pipe on the pump, and reinstall the pump on the tank. Add the hose and test to ensure pump functionality. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing GPI.